Now the next thing to do in this page is to display a pagination links at the bottom of the page so the user can go further to the previous results of the process. Okay, so let's create a new component for our pagination links. So let's call this component, let's call, for example, in the components directory, let's make it as a new here view component paginator. Okay, so let's add the component HTML first. Let's preview this and we'll add the code later to so that the component can work dynamically. Okay, so let's wrap this side of a div and let's add a class of paginator. Okay, and we'll using an ordered list, and here let's add an li. This li will be 1. Okay, let's add some classes. Let's first preview this in the browser. Okay, so let's return to this page here, and at the bottom of the blog page I will be calling this paginator component. Okay, now to check this in the browser, you will see this. Okay, now let's add some styling to this component. I will add some classes to this URL. Here let's add a background tpg green hyphen, let's say 1600, and let's make it inline. Okay, and let's say image in the x direction by 1 and padding in all directions by 2, and let's add a cursor to be pointer. Okay, and let's make it text hyphen sm. Now let's return and check this. Okay, now it looks better. Let's add some other links so that we can preview it correctly. Let's this, and let's make this 2, 3, 4. Now let's check it again. Now I think it's acceptable. Okay, let's open the assets and then in the scss directory add.scss. Here I added this class here for the .paginator.disabled. We'll use this class when we add the dynamic code in the paginator component, so that whenever we are in the same page that we click on it on this number. For example, if this page is page 1, this link, okay, will give it a different class like a disabled class. Okay, so for this reason I added this to disabled class and applied these classes from Tailwindcss. For example, if you take this class and add this class here, let's add this class here in the second link. And now if you check the browser, you can see that the second link is disabled, considering that I am in the second page. Okay, the second page, which is, for example, page equal to. Okay, so in the next video we will add the dynamic code to make this paginator works dynamically. Okay.